Hello everyone. Today I'm going to guide you how to install the Spreadtrum drivers on your Windows computer. So first of all, go to the description of this video. There you will find the link of this driver. You have to download the driver first, then you have to extract it on your computer. As you can see, I have already downloaded and extracted the driver on my computer. Let's quickly open the folder now. Here you will find two important folders. One is for 64-bit and other is for 32-bit. I'm on 64-bit, so here you have to right-click on the INF file. Now click on the next button. You can see installation is done. Click on the Finish button. And you are good to go. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. And do subscribe our channel.